Hope you are well and staying safe. Welcome to Veronica's Little Kitchen. Today, I'm going to be making a simple roast chicken with an easy but very tasty gravy. Are you ready? Let's get going. The ingredients that we will need for our roast chicken and gravy are 1 whole chicken, celery, carrot, onion, garlic, water and corn flour to form a paste, white pepper, salt, butter, water, chicken stock cube. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Clean the chicken. If you bought a frozen chicken, make sure to thaw it first. Remove as much moisture from the chicken as you can by patting it dry using paper towels. Be sure to dry both the inside and outside of the chicken. Rub the melted butter all over the chicken. Rub in the salt. Use as much salt as needed for the inside and outside of the chicken. Add the pepper and rub all over as well. Prepare the vegetable for the gravy. Roughly cut the celery and carrot into smaller chunks. There is no need to peel the carrot. Slice the garlic into two. Cut the onion into quarters. Don't bother peeling them either. Place the vegetable in a roasting pan. Place the chicken on a steamer rack. Place the rack in the roasting pan. Roast the chicken in the oven at 190 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, remove the chicken from the oven and brush with its own juices. Increase the oven temperature to 220 degrees Celsius. Return chicken to the oven and cook for further 20 to 25 minutes or until the chicken juices run clear. Now, it is time to make the gravy. Transfer all the vegetables and chicken juices from the roasting pan to a saucepan. Over medium-high heat, add the water. Add the chicken stock cube. Add the corn flour and water paste. When the gravy has thickened to desired consistency, remove from the heat. Strain the gravy. Discard the vegetables. Season with salt and pepper if desired. And your roast chicken and gravy are done. I hope you enjoyed watching me roast a chicken and make the gravy. Now it is your turn to do it. Do let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Veronica's Little Kitchen. Take care, dear friends. Soon.
Oh. Oh. Oh.